And don't you wanna be in love with a girl like that? I can't agree. And don't you wanna be in love? If I had half of that, I'd disagree. So hold on to the ones you love. Failing is not an option for you. Hold on to the ones you love. Failing is not an option for you. Those things I thought I'd need, they brought me failure to my knees. Now you look at me to find the truth. I say keep those faces in front of you. So hold on to the ones you love. Failing is not an option for you. Hold on to the ones you love. Failing is not an option for you. Don't give it a second thought. Love is all you got. Don't give it a second thought. With love, don't give it a second thought. Love is all you got. Don't give it a second thought. Love. So hold on to the ones you love. Failing is not an option for you. Hold on to the ones, failing is not an option for you. Hold on to the ones you love. Failing is not an option for you. Fade into the light, then back out again. My mind will bleed, then call out in them. And how come the days lead us back into the waves? So how come the days lead us all into a grave? Isn't it charming? Lead with your fist, then back out again. Let's set a fire to all that we've seen. And how come the days lead us back into the waves? So how come the days leads us all into a grave? And isn't it charming? It's certainly charming. It's mostly charming.